Mastering English, the power of being in the passive voice. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve deep into the fascinating world of English grammar. In particular, we're focusing on an interesting part of the English language, the present continuous form of the passive voice. This includes the expressions am being, is being, and are being. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand when and how to use these forms, but you'll be able to apply them confidently in your day-to-day English conversations. Before we explore the usage of am being, is being, and are being, let's briefly recap what passive voice is. Passive voice is used when the focus is on the action, not who or what is performing the action. Here's a simple example. The cake was eaten. In this sentence, the emphasis is on the action, the cake getting eaten, rather than who ate it. In passive voice, the verb to be is very important. In fact, every passive voice sentence contains some form of to be. In our previous example, the cake was eaten. The word was is a form of to be. However, this form changes based on tense and subject. Which brings us to our main topic for today. Am being, is being, and are being. These forms, am being, is being, and are being, are used in the present continuous tense of the passive voice. They indicate that an action is currently in progress and that the focus is on the action, not the actor. We use am being with I. For example, I am being interviewed for a job. We use is being with singular nouns and pronouns like he, she, and it. For example, the book is being read. We use are being with plural nouns and pronouns like they, we, and you. For example, they are being taught English. And there you have it, folks. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use am being, is being, and are being in the present continuous passive voice. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't be shy. Try using these forms in your next English conversation. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.